to the state of Bihar. Half of Bihar's voters have already casted their vote. The stage is now set for the second and the final phase of the Bihar polling on November 11, that is on Tuesday. Political parties will be making the final push today as the campaigning ends this evening. Prime Minister Modi is leading the charge for the NDA camp, addressing election rallies yesterday. In fact, he rained fire on the Grand Alliance, doubling down on the Jungle Raj attack. The Prime Minister fired BrahMos like salvo at the RJD Congress combined, claiming that they want to promote gun culture and are teaching children to become gangsters. In fact, our Prime Minister was referring to a viral video from the rally of the RJD, where a child was seen glorifying use of the guns. And to refresh the memory of the viewers, let's take a look at the video again and then listen in to what the Prime Minister had to say.
ये अभी से बच्चों तक को रंगदार बनाने की बातें कर रहे हैं, खुलेआम कर रहे हैं। ये लोग खुली घोषणा कर रहे हैं कि भैया की सरकार आएगी तो कट्टा, दूनाली, फिरौती, रंगदारी यही सब चलेगा। आरजेडी के लोग बिहार के युवाओं को कट्टा और दूनाली देने की बात कर रहे हैं। बेटा हो बेटी, कोई सांसद बने, कोई एमएलए बने, कोई मंत्री बने, कोई मुख्यमंत्री बने, अपने संतानों के लिए तो वो ये सपने देखते हैं और आप सभी के बच्चों को रंगदार बनाना चाहते हैं, रंगदार बना रहे। जंगल राज का मतलब है कट्टा, क्रूरता, कटुता, कुसंस्कार, करप्शन। लेकिन आरजेडी के लोग बिहार के युवाओं को कट्टा और दूनाली देने की बात कर रहे हैं। बेटा हो बेटी, कोई सांसद बने, कोई एमएलए बने, कोई मंत्री बने, कोई मुख्यमंत्री बने, अपने संतानों के लिए तो वो ये सपने देखते हैं और आप सभी के बच्चों को रंगदार बनाना चाहते हैं, रंगदार बना रहे। जंगल राज का मतलब है कट्टा, क्रूरता, कटुता, कुसंस्कार, करप्शन।
And for more on this, let me go across to my colleague Arunil, who joins us from Bihar. Arunil, today all eyes will be on the last day of the campaigning, even though the war of words continues between the Mahagathbandhan and the NDA candidates. Take us through what is expected today.
Well, good morning to you, Akansha. Last day of campaigning before the second phase of Bihar polls. 121 seats voted in the first phase. Now, 122 seats will be going to polls. Total 243 in Bihar, magic number being 122. PM Modi held two rallies yesterday. Today also he is expected to campaign extensively. The main outreach from the BJP, it seems, has been the women voters as well as the youth voters. Time and again, PM Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah have been speaking about how there was Katta culture, Jungle Raj during the regime of Lalu Prasad Yadav, father of Tejasvi Yadav. And if Tejasvi Yadav, the face of Mahagathbandhan, CM face of Mahagathbandhan, is voted to power, the same Katta culture, Rangdari culture, Jungle Raj is bound to return. A reference point of a young kid from RJD Dias speaking about promoting Katta culture was also spoken of by PM Modi. PM Modi also said that the bumper voting, historic voting in first phase, clearly suggests that it is going to be a 65-volt shock to the RJD as well as the Congress. That is the Mahagathbandhan. It is advantageous for the NDA. Now, coming to the Mahagathbandhan as well, extensive rallies being conducted by Tejasvi Yadav particularly. He's been drawing crowds in his rallies as well. He made a bold statement saying that against his own helicopter chopper, there are 30 such choppers being deployed by the BJPs, all star powers against one man, that is Tejasvi Yadav. Tejasvi Yadav has been primarily speaking about the fact that he wants to make Bihar number one. There are issues like unemployment, migration in Bihar, which the NDA Sarkar since 20 years, CM Nitish Kumar, has not been able to solve since 20 years.
Absolutely. All eyes will be on the last day of the campaigning as far as phase 2 is concerned. Thank you so much, Arunil, for all the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. And now let's tell you more about the Bihar election. The NDA combined in Bihar has decided to make Jungle Raj during Lalu Raj the mainstay of its campaign for the second leg that involves the sensitive Simanchal region. If the Prime Minister was targeting the rivals with the Jungle Raj Bab, his ally, the Janta United JDU, organized an exhibition in Patna yesterday, putting the spotlight on what they call the dark phase under Lalu era. On display were the old newspaper clippings from 1990s highlighting the incidents of crime in the state of Bihar. The opposition, however, sees this as an attempt to divert the attention from the issue of development and NDA's unfulfilled promise. They label the Nitish Sarkar in Bihar as trouble engine government. Watch how the opposition resorted to a PM's Katta Sarkar Jai.
जो कट्टों की बात करते हैं, दुनाली बात करते हैं, गोली, फिरौती, रंगदारी, हत्या, अपहरण, ये बातें करते हैं इनके नेता, इनके सबसे बड़े नेता देश के प्रधानमंत्री। एक तरफ वंदे मातरम, जिसने अहिंसा द्वारा इस देश को स्वतंत्र किया, और आप ऐसी हिंसक बातें कर रहे हैं।
अरे हम तो प्रधानमंत्री की बात सुनकर नीतीश बाबू को भी ये सलाह दे रहे हैं, ले जाइए एक आध कट्टा, इनके रखिए कनपट्टी पर, अपने आप को घोषित करवाइए मुख्यमंत्री। ऐसे नहीं करने वाले ये लोग।
And we'll continue to get you more details as far as Bihar elections are concerned. And with this, we're taking a very short break. We'll be right back with much more update on the other side.